Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. Today I will explain what to do if your Binance verification is stuck on the review and how to fix it. Let's start by understanding the delay. Normally Binance takes only a few minutes to a couple of hours to verify your account. But sometimes due to high traffic or document issues, it can take up to a few days. So first, what you need to do is check document quality. If your documents are blurry, cropped, expired, or don't match your personal details, the system may keep them under review. Make sure your ID is clear, valid, and matches your account info. Second step is to avoid multiple submissions. Don't keep submitting new documents while your old one is under review. This can cause extra delays. And another step can be to re-upload if rejected. If Binance rejects your verification, you'll get a notification or email. Follow the instructions, correct the errors, and re-upload your documents. If your verification is stuck for more than 3 to 5 business days, go to the Binance Help Center by tapping on this profile icon at the top left. Tap on support and contact customer support. They can manually check and speed up the review. And that's it. Most of the time, the under review status is normal and you just need to wait. But if it's taking too long, check your documents and reach out to support. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.